are going to do a physics chapter, chapter 13, sound. Sound, what is sound? We have studied about energy. We have studied that energy is the capacity to do work. There are various forms of energy, and sound is also a form of energy. Now, sound is a form of energy which causes the sensation of hearing. Now, how is sound produced? Sound is produced by vibration. What is vibration? Vibration is the to and fro motion of the body. For example, if you put something here, and when you, suppose you put a scale here, and when you hit it, the scale moves up and down. So this up and down motion, the to and fro motion of a body is called vibration. Now when I speak, I keep my hand on my on my Adam's apple. Here we have the voice box that is called larynx. When while speaking, if you keep your hand here, you can see that vibration. You can feel that vibration. The vibration may not be visible externally, but it is taking place. When you are talking, if you keep your finger or your hand there, you can see a vibration. Now this vibration causes sound. So what is vibration? Vibration is a to and fro, back and forth. You can see either to and fro motion of a body or the back and forth motion of a body is called vibration. So all sound is caused by vibration. Whenever you hear a sound, the first thing that comes to your mind is there has been a vibration. Now, first definition we have to study in this chapter is vibration. What is vibration? The to and fro motion of a body or the back and forth motion of a body is called vibration. You can explain in two ways. Once again, the to and fro motion of a body is called vibration, or the back and forth motion of a body is called vibration. Now, suppose a body is vibrating 100 times in 5 seconds. What is happening? A body is vibrating 100 times in 5 seconds. So what is the vibration? It is 100 vibrations in 5 seconds. That means 20 vibrations per second. This 20 vibrations per second, this is called frequency. This is called frequency. So second term you have to study is frequency. Now, here there were 100 vibrations in 5 seconds. So 100 by 5, 20 vibrations in 1 second. So the frequency is 20 Hertz. H is Z. Now remember the SI unit of frequency is Hertz. What is the SI unit of frequency? The SI unit of frequency is Hertz. Here there were 20 vibrations in 5 seconds, 100 vibrations in 5 seconds. So 100 by 5, 20 vibrations in 1 second. So the frequency is said to be the frequency is 20 Hertz. It's also written as 20 capital H small h. So the SI unit of frequency is Hertz. So once again we'll just sum up what we have studied. First we studied that sound is a form of energy which causes the sensation of hearing. All sound is caused by vibrations. What is vibration? The to and fro motion of the body is called vibration. The other definition of vibration can be the back and forth. Either you can say to and fro or back and forth motion of the body is called vibration. Now we take a case where there are 100 vibrations in 5 seconds. So 100 vibrations are taking place in 5 seconds. What is frequency? Frequency, the definition says, it is the number of vibrations in 1 second. So 100 vibrations are there in 5 seconds. So how many vibrations are there in 1 second? 100 by 5, 20 vibrations in 1 second. So the SI unit is hertz. So 20 vibrations in 1 second. So 20 hertz. Hertz is written in short form as Hz. You can also see, this radio signals or the TV signals which come in. They are the unit given as hertz. The waves, the frequency is given in hertz. Kilohertz. Kilo means 1000. Kilogram, 1000 gram. Kilometer, 1000 meter. Kilohertz means 1000 hertz. Megahertz, gigahertz. All these are units of frequency. Okay. So hertz is the SI unit of frequency. So we studied three terms. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy which causes a sensation of hearing. All sound is caused by vibration. Whenever you hear a sound, the first thing that comes to your mind is there has been a vibration. The vibration may be visible outside or may be invisible externally. For example, you cannot see my throat vibrating, but inside there is a larynx box, and inside that the vocal cords are vibrating, and the sensation can be felt if you keep your finger on your voice box. The third thing we are studying is what is frequency. Frequency is the number of vibrations taking place in 1 second. Suppose there are 500 vibrations in 5 seconds. So 500 by 5, 100 vibrations in 1 second. So 100 hertz. Suppose there are 1000 vibrations in maybe 20 seconds. So 1000 vibrations in 20 seconds. 1000 vibrations. So here there are 1000 vibrations in how many seconds? 20 seconds. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 2 into 50 is 100. So the frequency will be 50 vibrations per second, that is 50 hertz or 50 Hz. So we complete what is sound, what is vibration, what is frequency, what is the SI unit of frequency. Next, we will discuss something very, very important which we experience in daily life. You must have heard the voices of different people. You must have heard that ladies, they have a high pitched voice. When they talk, the pitch is very high. Men, like when I speak to you, the pitch is not very high, but the sound is very loud. Like, hey, that loudness is there. But in ladies, the pitch is very high. So there are two characteristics of sound which we'll study now. One is loudness and one is pitch. Now, what does loudness depend upon? What does pitch depend upon? For understanding what loudness depends upon, we have to understand another term. The third term we study is amplitude.